Let me be brutally honest with you. If nobody respects you, it's not because of them. It's because of you. And today I'm going to show you exactly why. Stay until the end, because the last reason will hit you the hardest. The first reason, you agree with everything. You say yes when you mean no. You laugh at jokes that aren't funny. You pretend to be okay when you're not. And people see it. When you have no boundaries, you have no respect. The second reason, you over-explain yourself. Every decision, every action, every choice, you explain it to everyone. Strong people don't explain. They decide, and they move. Third, you chase people. You text first every time. You follow up. You check in. Stop. The moment you stop chasing, people start noticing you. Fourth, you need validation. You post to get likes. You talk to get approval. You dress to impress. People sense desperation, and desperation kills respect instantly. Fifth, you tolerate disrespect. Someone treats you badly, you stay silent. Someone crosses your line, you let it go. Every time you accept disrespect, you teach people how to treat you. So here's the truth. Respect is not given, it's built. Start with yourself. Fix these 5 things and watch how people treat you differently. Follow for more dark psychology content every day.